What's up, guys? So I'm at Solid Performance. You've heard me talk about them before, but they got one of my bikes in the shop, and then I figured I'd introduce you to these guys because they're pretty awesome.
And it just might be the only thing.
Hey, my name's Evan Yarnell. I am co-owners of Solid Performance. And it starts out small. You're like, okay, I have enough money, I can rent a small. I move out of my dad's garage. Okay, I have enough money, I can afford this much rent, and then it's a bigger space. So we laid the shop out, very open feel. I mean, hey man, it's a dirt bike shop. You know, for example, you walk in, this is super fresh. I mean, it's that whole experience of, hey, I show up, what do you want? You want, you know, hey, let me show you what we do to the suspension. Let me show you the ultrasonic cleaner. You know, when you're done, here's all your broken parts. You know, I can show you a line item on the invoice, but it doesn't tell the whole story. You can't fool me. Like, I'm gonna know what you're doing the right thing or not doing the right thing when you bring the bike in. Some of it is really just educating the client. Oh man, I didn't know I had to do it like that. Okay, well, hey, I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing for you, but long term, I'm gonna give you maybe a little bit of knowledge of what did we do, what did we fix. You know, being a technical guy, I want to maybe shoot the stuff with the mechanic. I want to see something apart. I want to see something unique. That every shop has something unique to share. It's just they hide it in the back. I think there's a really good resurgence now of very unique shops. You know, like CC KTM and a lot of other niche shops which kind of really open up and do some unique flooring. Pretty much we just went all in with KTM. You know, standalone dealership. Despite the fact that, yeah, there's some overlap with Husaberg and Husqvarna. For us, it's been much easier to just focus on those, I'll call it, the KTM group, and within that, there's also WP suspension, which kind of continues my, want to kind of challenge myself as a mechanic, as a tuner, because I'm not just sitting behind a desk like crunching numbers. Like, I still want to get dirty. You know, what needs to get done to the bike, the client can see it. If you have a ride-in, ride-out service, whether it's something simple or something complex and fit you in that time, hey, hang out, you drink your coffee at the table and see everything being worked on. We've partnered with WP USA as an authorized service center, so not just further solidifying our reputation as what I think very good option and a destination shop for suspension, but not only can we now couple that with a new unit, so you come in, the gentleman, this gentleman here gets 250 EXC built. It's not just the bike, he's over the target weight range the bike's built. Hey, let's respring the bike for you. He'll come, we'll set sag, and he's a comprehensive solution for the bike, and we can take that even, to the upper echelon from, completely stock to resprung, to revalve the standard components, to, hey, here's a totally different upper echelon component. It's funny, some of the old timers come in and they're like, man, this is how shops used to be. And I'm like, I was born in 1980, so I don't remember like the Bultaco shop for back in the day, but old timers, to me it's like just an extension of, hey, I'm still working in my dad's garage. It's just now people can walk in the door while I'm working on stuff.
If I go to a restaurant supply place and get all these baker's racks, it's just easier to lay all the parts out, So you go in, the guy's like, what restaurant do you own? I'm like, I don't own a restaurant. I mean, we serve horsepower and suspension, but that's about it. So.
I've never seen the ocean before, but I have swam in it, and it just might be